So I recently got called out for contradicting myself, and I want to talk about that. I can't even remember the context of it, but I'm aware that I contradict myself a lot, and I'm okay with that. There's a couple of reasons why I do so. So sometimes my opinions are not yet formed, which is fine, I think. Maybe I should have them more formed by my age, but they're not formed. And sometimes, depending on the perspective of the question or what the question is, my opinion might be different because I've not managed to form it fully yet. Sometimes if someone asks me a question, I will think one thing for that question, but a different question, I will think something completely that contradicts this one. That's fine. The internet is not a wealth of right and wrong answers. That is not what this is. This channel is not a black and white, right and wrong channel. It is a here are my thoughts at the moment. I'm also very open to changing my thoughts. I've thought many things over the years, and then I've changed them. That's fine. That is actually, I would much rather someone go, oh, do you know what? I thought that for years, and I don't think that anymore. I think this now. Whether that's professionally or personally, I think that's a great trait to have. I think once you get to the point where you go, this is what it is because I think this, you've sort of gone down a bit of a dead end there. Now, some of the websites I write for and some of the videos I make on YouTube, I understand that people are Googling a question and they want an answer. They want to be told, this is the thing you must do. This is the way that this is better. This is good. This is bad. But our business and our industry just doesn't work like that. It's very much a, here's what's right at the moment. Here's what's right for me today. Here's the choice I've made right now. It might not even be the best choice. I often make choices that aren't the best choice, but I want to make that choice because it's an emotional decision. I'm currently buying a new car because my previous one died. It's a toss-up between a very sensible Kia Picanto and some ridiculous classic car, which will no doubt break down at least once a month. I'm pretty sure I'm going to buy a classic car. So these are not sensible decisions. These are not logical decisions. And photography is absolutely like that. The lens I shoot most of my work with, here, let me grab it, it's nearby. This is not a sensible choice. This is a Mamiya Seiko 50mm f4.5. I don't think I can get this repaired if I break it. And they're quite hard to get good copies of. There's lots of them out there, but they're all battered because they're really old. Also, listen to the aperture. That's what aperture blades should sound like. So is this the best lens when people are like, is this, the lens you use, is it great? No, it's not great, but I really enjoy using it. So it's an emotional decision. And likewise with the contradictions. If you find a video here where I've said something before and now I'm saying something different, I've just changed my mind. And I hope that's okay with you. Don't take anything I say as absolute gospel. It is just what I believe at that given moment in time. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this very short, very off-topic video. See you all soon. Bye-bye.